Hey yo. Oh, I started taking that medicine again, so I feel like death. Not getting any sleep, barely. No energy. My kidneys are killing me. I ran out of propane in the middle of the night, which means I ran out of heat. I know I'm in Arizona, but today it's 60 degrees. The next 2 days are going to be in the 40s and rain and wind. So just taking that little guy there, getting them filled up here at the office. But I'm so hurting so much from that medicine that all the way from my neck to my rear end, it's just pain. So I'm gonna have an issue getting out of the car. Here it goes. So if you look right behind me, he's an American Legion rider. There's his bike over there. And right behind his bike you can see a roof of a white truck. That's as far as I have to go for propane, and I'm driving my car to go get it. That's how messed up my health is right now. Just from that medicine. That's something I forgot about, taking this medicine. It's I'm so hesitant on taking it because of I know what it's going to do to, drain me, and it's going to hurt. But 10 minutes of being outside, I get my energy back, like I'm back to normal again. Just 10-15 minutes ago I recorded how I felt, how terrible I was feeling, but no, I feel normal again. And that's something I got to remember, is when using that medicine, I have to go outside, I have to walk, I have to get my energy moving, get my everything just moving. And I think we've already seen the Chevy and the Dodge Super C campers. I think I found a Ford. There it is. Man, is that nice. Wow. That thing is perfect. If I had unlimited money, that will be my next purchase. That's the only RV I would ever buy new, if I were to buy a new one. I don't know why there's cat litter on my floor mats. I have an idea. I think it's because it's tracking in from my carpet, which I can't see because it's just about the same color as the carpet. And my vacuum is just terrible. If you guys, anybody out there knows of a good... Hold on. If anybody out there knows of a good, strong stick vacuum, if you know what I'm talking about, that has really good suction, let me know down in the comments, because I can't spend $400 on a vacuum either. I'm talking about a good one that's like really good for the money, basically, that will clean up cat fur and cat litter off of my carpet, because I'm using a broom trying to sweep the stuff out, and it's just getting everywhere. What's that van back here? That's slick. I like that. Is that an old Econoline? He's always got nice stuff over there. Nice vehicles. I thought it was a repair shop. But I originally thought it was a repair shop until I needed some work done. Is this guy really going to put a dog on his motorcycle? Or is he just checking the motorcycle out? He's just checking it out. What's up, buddy? Can you hear it? Listen close. It's like a hurricane out there. It's like... Imagine a hurricane. Holy heck. The whole thing is just shaking. Imagine a hurricane without rain and without trees. And with a lot of dirt and dust. I don't know if there's a name for that, but that is what's going on here. It sounds like my roof's going to get ripped off. This happens like every 3 days. You can hear, like, it sounds like the roof's getting ripped off. I don't know if you can hear it or not. I hope you can. It's not really doing anything right now. This has been all day long. Here it comes. I can feel we're starting to rock. You can tell by my Christmas decoration. I still have my Grinch stocking my mom got me hanging there. It's not really moving now, but it's not really windy right now. In 2 seconds it can be. That and the Harley sign. They just go shaking like crazy. Of course, now that I'm pointing the camera at it, it's not happening. Let me see if I can... I don't know if you can hear that or not. My stabilizer jacks aren't working, so this whole thing is just rocking. So, it's Arizona. Came here for the heat. We came here for the comfort. It's 50 degrees and extremely windy. It's not even going to hit 50 tomorrow or the next day. I don't think it's going to be below. Meanwhile, back in Pittsburgh, it's going to be like in the 70s. The place I left to come here and stay warm. And their winds in Pittsburgh, nothing like this. There's no trees here to really give an example of just how heavy. You can't tell from this camera, I'm sure. It's probably stabilizing, and I'm just constantly moving. It's like I'm on a boat. I did want to shout out Dawn. Thank you so much for helping my mother out with her door today. If you're watching this. If not, I still want to shout them out. So, you all have a great day. So I don't use this couch at all. It's very uncomfortable. I just throw clothes and junk on there. I also don't use this recliner. I just throw junk on there, as you can see. It's used for little tiny kids. Once you kick the legs up, you know, the leg of the, what do you call it, the leg rest? It's at your knees. It's not even like it's like for a little tiny kid. And you guys already know, if you've watched my videos, how I feel about dinettes. These things are garbage. I mean, they're the only use for the couch and the dinette is if you have guests staying overnight and there's a place for them to sleep. And I don't really have guests. With my health, people don't want to sleep inside of here and smell the weird smells that go along with my health issues. And I don't want to even, you know. I have it could be 30 degrees outside. I'll have the fantastic fans running to get the smell out. Plus I burn candles, whatever I can do. So what I'm thinking is, I know I've talked about it before. I'm thinking about taking this side of the dinette out, leaving that side there, basically to hold the TV, and in place of this side of the dinette, I can this bench, I can put a computer chair, a gaming chair, something like that. That will be much more comfortable for doing videos and live streams and stuff. I do have to watch that I don't fall over the steps, but I have plenty of room. I might even make something that prevent me from falling into there. I think I want to take the couch out, permanently remove it, maybe try and sell it on Marketplace, and I think I want to make that my key station, my locksmithing station. I'll build, I could probably even utilize this dinette bench over there and create a workstation that turns into a bed, just in case my daughter wants to come and hang out or something. The recliner, in my mind, it's already gone. That's already gone. This stuff's all seatbelted and bolted into the... Would you quit playing the kitty litter? It's not a sandbox. Sorry. I'm going to get a regular recliner, like, you know, a grown-up one, and I'm going to put it there. But when my slides open, I'll be able to set it anywhere around here and watch TV or whatever. Even sleep on it if I want to. If I got a decent, you know, lazy boy or something. The issues that are running through my mind are, if I go to sell this RV, who's going to want a key work area, a locksmithing station in an RV, recliner that nobody can sit on when they're driving because there's no seatbelt, and half of a dinette? No, I don't plan on keeping this forever. Anybody that watches my videos knows I want that Super C. Ford, Chevy, Dodge, preferably Ford, a Super C, and that will be my ideal dream rig. This thing here is entirely too large. I only got something this big because I took my life with me, everything, but I'm slowly getting rid of things. You hear that wind? This is just I'm rocking like I'm on Noah's Ark. Oh my goodness. I'm waiting for like the camper next door to blow over and hit my vehicle. So what do you think about the idea of any of these three things I'm mentioning? I think the recliner is easy enough to do and not going to affect anything. So I don't mind. That's a quick, easy first step. But what do you think about taking half of a dinette out, which automatically turns this into not a bed anymore? It's just not going to be a bed. It's going to be just my computer workstation. And what do you think about taking the couch out and making that my locksmith station? And possibly, if I design it properly, I can convert it easily into a bed. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you have any suggestions that I don't know. Maybe some of you guys have much better ideas, but anyway, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. This guy's having one heck of a time backing in. This is about his 9th or 10th time pulling forward to pull backwards again. Cool setup he got there. Let's see, he goes back out again. Well, he didn't go far enough to see the back. He's struggling. Definitely a pull through would have been better for him. He has it looks like a street and trail bike on the back and 2 e-bikes. I would have recorded earlier, but I didn't know he was going to be struggling that much to back into an extremely large open area. The struggle was real with these people. I mean, they are just, I thought they were in. At the same time, the Kim host should be helping them.